In this painting demonstration, I'll show you how I use poured watercolor, masking fluid, gravity, and multiple transparent layers to create this luminous scene of a Korean palace. Over the next few moments, you'll watch this painting develop step by step, from initial masking to successive pours of color, to the dramatic moment when the masking fluid is removed and the painting finally comes to life. If you've ever wondered how poured watercolor works, this is a glimpse into the process you'll learn in my multi-day workshops. Back in the studio, what I'm working on is a painting here of Seoul, Korea, the palace in Seoul. And this is a poured watercolor painting that I started for a demonstration for the Watercolor Society in North Carolina. Didn't get a chance to finish it. Went to Texas last week and taught for the Southwestern Watercolor Society. So coming back today, I'm trying to finish this painting taste. Now there's about 6 layers on here. I've got 3 spots of absolute black, 1, 2, and a 3 over here. And then I'm going to start peeling this off in just a few minutes. I'll do a time-lapse video. This is going to look remarkably different once I pull off all the masking fluid. You can't see all the beautiful color because it's all hidden under the blue-green masking fluid, which looks terrible right now, but I think this is going to be a decent painting. Fingers crossed. So this is the fun part. After you spend hours and hours working on these guys, doing the drawing, all the masking, all the pouring of color, the drying times, then you're taking the masking fluid off. And it does take a little while. And the fastest way to get masking fluid off is just with a big ball of masking fluid. It just gets bigger and bigger as you take it off. And then when all the color comes off, it looks so different because all the masking fluid's been obscuring all that color. You couldn't see what was underneath it very easily. But you always have to make some adjustments. So I come back into here and I just do a little bit of work, darken down some edges, make things look a little bit better. But it's mostly done once the masking fluid comes off. This painting was built through multiple stages of masking and pouring, allowing layers of color to create glowing light in the atmosphere that would be difficult to achieve with traditional brushwork alone. If you'd like to learn the complete poured watercolor process from planning and masking to pouring, lifting, and finishing details, join me for an upcoming workshop where we'll explore these techniques in depth and create paintings full of luminous color and unexpected effects. If you enjoyed this content, please hit subscribe. If you're interested in all the materials used in this painting, check out the YouTube description below. Thank you for watching, and happy painting.